Take a look at this example on how to get access to Argo data through Coriolis JDAC FTP. Let's go for it. Before opening the FTP client, make sure where the files are allocated. Follow the links provided below. Open the FTP client and fill in the box with the host provided. You are now connected to the Coriolis JDAC. Check the remote site area. The Argo data is organized in different ways. If getting data from a specific ocean basin is what you need, then the geographic basin directory will be suitable. Let's take a look at the Atlantic Ocean directory. As you can see, data is organized by year. Try to check the 2018 year, for example, and you'll see it is organized by month. Let's take a look at August. Each file contains all the Argo data collected by each float for every day in August for the Atlantic Ocean by data provider and platform. Clicking on the DAC folder, you'll get access to all the 11 DACs that feed both JDACs. Imagine that we are interested in Argo data held by Coriolis DAC. In this case, we will just need to click in the Coriolis folder, and then we get access to every float clustered in Coriolis DAC. Interested in a specific float? Just click. As you can see, for each float, there are 4 files in netcdf format that give information about metadata, trajectories, profiles, and technical parameters. In the next lesson, we'll learn about them. Also, there is a folder named Profiles that contains each profile that the Argo float measures in each of its working cycles. For this float, there are 112 profiles, which means the float dived up to 2000 meters and back 112 times. Have you realized that every file is denamed at the beginning? Because we are interested in this dataset, we first need to set our download destination. Then right-click and download it. In this way, we already have the Argo data downloaded to our computer. And another way to get access to Argo data is by processing date, that is, the last processed data organized by processing day.